Alright, let's nose down for 25 hundo here.
Hey guys, Alex, Alpha Kilo Warrior. I'm trying to talk into the mic here. It's another day at the airport. It feels like a really calm day, but look at those ceilings. They're not as high as I'd like them to be, but we're walking to 3133 Quebec. And what are we going to do today? What are we going to do today? So I think I'm going to head south. And I'm going to go to, I'm going to go to Chester. Check out the uncontrolled airport down there. Should be a nice little quick 15-minute flight. That's what Foreflight says. Nobody's here today. There is a TFR today because of a match. So I want to get in, go down, and then come back when the TFR becomes active. So TFR is active at 11. So it's 7:30 right now. So I'm gonna go pre-flight and bring you along for the ride with me. Come on.
All right, we're on the track. We're on the track. Let's look at the vertical speed indicator. Want that nice, maintain a nice 25 hundo. Sun is right at my eyeball. Off to my left. Scanning for other aircraft. Almost out of the class Delta here. There's the class Delta. Alright, we're in cruise. Electric fuel pumps off, landing lights off. Mixture is slightly lean. For cruise, let's do a gum check when we're getting to Chester. See what the wind's doing like in Chester.
18 Celsius, dew point 16 Celsius, altimeter 2,991 inches of mercury.
2991 for Chester.
Chester Airport, automated weather observation 1232 Zulu. Wind, calm, visibility more than
Calm.
10. Sky condition clear below 12,000. Temperature 18 Celsius.
Well, it's calm, so let's do a 3-5 landing.
2,991 inches of mercury.
Alright, so traffic pattern at Chester is 1,400. Airport elevation is 416. We got runway 35 we're going to use. Alright, this is going to be fun. So we're 15 out. Give them a call at 7. Out. 7, 5, and 3 for my radio calls for miles out. 7, 5, and 3. We got runway 35 ready to go. Actually, 35 is there. Runway 35 is ready to go. 2991 for the altimeter. We're at 26 hundo. Traffic pattern is 1400. Field elevation is 416. We're on the CTAF of Chester. I got the airport in sight off to my left. It's that missing blotch of trees there to my almost 11 o'clock. So I'm going to come in right over here. So I'm northwest, 9 miles out. Good speed's over there. I see good speed. Good speed's off to the left. Good speed. Hello, good speed. One of the instructors left a cup there. J. Vaughn left a cup at good speed. He's got to grab the cup. Must be some golden cup. And Chester Traffic Warrior 3133 Quebec. We're 7 miles to the north. We're planning on entering a left downwind for runway 35, Chester. Alright, electric fuel pumps on, landing lights on, mixture's full rich. We're on the left tank. We're going to stay in the left tank. And Chester Traffic Warrior 33 Quebec, we're now 5 miles to the northwest. We'll be entering a left down for runway 35, Chester. A little more power there. 3.5 out. Alright, let's do this. And Chester Traffic Warrior 33 Quebec is entering a 45 for the left down for runway 35 right now, 3 miles out. And Chester Traffic Warrior 33 Quebec's now on a left downwind for runway 35 Chester. And Chester Traffic Warrior 33 Quebec turning left base for runway 35 Chester.
Chester Traffic, with crossing approach 35 Chester.
Chester Traffic Warrior 33 Quebec was going to turn on final. We're gonna add some power here. We're gonna try it again. Chester Traffic Warrior 33 Quebec's going around. Chester Traffic Warrior 33 Quebec. We're gonna be entering a left downwind for runway 35 over the field right now at 1,400. Alright, let's reset and we're going to do this again. Chester Traffic Warrior 33 Quebec's on a right teardrop to enter the 45 for left down to runway 35 Chester. Chester Traffic Warrior 33 Quebec's left downwind, runway 35 Chester. Alright, set it up again. Alright, we're at 1400, we're closer this time, a lot closer, so it's going to be a lot tighter here, a lot tighter. Alright, let your fuel pumps on, landing lights on, collisions light, mixture's full rich. Alright, we're Abeam. Power's going back 15 hundo. 1 notch of flaps in. We're close, so I'm gonna go 2 notches now. Sure I'm at 70. Chester Traffic Warriors 33 Quebec turning left base for runway 35 Chester. Ready for full flaps here. Full flaps is in. Power's going back. Chester Traffic Warrior 33 Quebec is turning final for runway 35 Chester. Power's going all the way back. So much better. That was just a lot of speed. Alright, let's clean up. Test traffic Warrior 3 back to clear runway 35, taxi back to runway 35, Chester. Lift crew pumps off, landing lights off, mixtures lean.